For on us, I feel like there is a bit more pressure because we're out here like trying to prove our worth. We're like हाँ हम सब कर सकते हैं. हम बच्चे भी पैदा करेंगे, काम भी करेंगे. कोई बोलना नहीं चाहिए हमको कि अरे oh, so she's pregnant now. She has to take like so many months off because she's a new mother. I find it hard to take holidays. Like I can't just chill and do nothing. And this was, in a way, it was like forced time off, and it really gave me a lot of time to think and to look inwards in a way. And I found that having this kind of time made me more productive. I don't know how to describe it. I'm still struggling with the perfect description for it, but it was almost like having this kind of, it was like I had space in my head. There was like less noise and less like a less external pressures, and I felt that made me more productive, and it helped me to somehow create more time. And I changed a lot of habits for myself, in terms of like words that I thought as an artist. I started to apply it in my life. I started to spend more time to kind of like every morning I get dressed up, for example. I don't go anywhere. I have my studio right in my house. I can literally roll out of my bed and roll into my studio. But I started to give myself like this kind of time and importance where I was getting dressed up every morning. Like the first couple of days, everyone in my house was like, "Where are you going?" I was like, "To my studio, like right here." But it was this kind of time I started to give myself. When lockdown happened, I realized that like everyone needs more healing. We all need a little bit more love actually right now, and that also affected the music that I'm making. Music has frequency. Music has a lot of power of like affecting energies. Because there is like music does have, like for example, chanting. There when you chant over and over and over and over again, there are words like in like some of our old Sanskrit mantras. The words are so powerful that they do affect change in the air, and music can do the same thing because it's frequency based. If you are going through something, you have someone who's singing about something that you're going through, you also feel like, hey yaar, हाँ उसको भी पता है कि मेरे को क्या feeling हो रही है, Or like even when you're in a really good mood and a really good track is playing, and it's like it's an elevation of your, like takes it to another level. So in that sense, I feel music is a very, very integral part of, like sound is a very integral part of our lives. Centuries ago, things were very different. The way that women were looked upon, the feminine forces itself were looked upon was very different. Today it's like the masculine forces of the world have taken over. It's all about like development and power and greed and and money, and it's like a lot of masculine energy, whereas actually the feminine energy of the planet, which is like the nurturing and healing and like nature, the earth, like flora, fauna, like all of these more gentle energies which are actually needed at the moment, like to shine for us actually as a species to live healthy and to survive, are being crushed. And I think that even with women, like where we are today, I mean, and we are just like we urban women, we have a completely different, like we don't even know what's actually going on in our, let's not even go outside of the country, in rural parts of our own country. That on us, I feel like there is a bit more pressure because we're out here like trying to prove our worth. We're like हाँ हम सब कर सकते हैं. हम बच्चे भी पैदा करेंगे, काम भी करेंगे. कोई बोलना नहीं चाहिए हमको कि अरे oh, so she's pregnant now. She has to take like so many months off because she's a new mother. Obviously, of course, you have to take.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos by us.